Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use Instagram security checkup. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app on your smartphone. Tap your profile image in the bottom right corner to go to your profile section. Then tap three lines menu on top right. Tap settings. From Instagram settings, tap security. Tap security checkup. Help secure your account. Here you will see 4 options: password, email, mobile phone number and two-factor authentication. Tap password. From password section, you can change your password to secure your account. Go back and tap email section. From here, you can update your primary email address. Then tap next or go back. Tap mobile phone number. You can change your phone number if needed or go back. Tap two-factor authentication. Here you can check your two-factor authentication status. That's it. These are the steps to use Instagram security checkup. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.